Hi everyone, this is Dr. Preeti Kumari from a leading asset management company. So I'm not representing my company exactly here, the views are my own. So how many of you think that quantum computers could be a threat to digital assets or Web3? Okay, and which quantum computer exactly?
Google could be first.
Okay.
Google definitely first, IBM second.
Google's Willow?
Yep, Google Willow first, IBM second.
Okay. Any more guesses?
I mean, China's third.
Okay, and which quantum computer? They haven't revealed it yet, right?
Yeah, we don't know.
Okay. So he is almost right because there is a new quantum computer came from Quantinuum that is called Helios. That came in November 2025, which is actually performing better than Google's Willow. And this year you guys might have heard about Quantum Echo's algorithm, which was ran on Google's Willow. And the first time there was something verifiable and something tangible people could see in this quantum world. So far what we have been seeing, there was no proof of that. How is this really working? And still what they are claiming to be verifiable, that could be verifiable to a similar setup, similar hardware, similar settings if somebody can achieve it. That means Google can verify Google Willow's experiment as of now, and there could be some researchers. So it's not a general public who can verify it. But what do you think? How far are really cryptographically relevant quantum computers, which are called CRQC? The quantum computers which can really break public key cryptography on which the whole internet is based on. When do we see it coming? Any guesses?
Not for the next few decades.
No, next 2 decades. Really? That's the what everyone goes with.
5 years.
So
5 years.
5 years. Next
2 years. 4 years.
2 years. Great. So definitely there are some companies claiming it's in 2 years, 3 years, so many researcher comments coming out daily. People are putting so many money in this quantum research and all. But as my told, views are my own. My assumption is based on the looking into the industry, history, and what stage of development quantum computers are as of now. It should be 5 to 8 years away. Before that, there shouldn't be a real threat to our digital assets, to our Web3 industry. But it doesn't mean that we don't need to take any measures. We should be taking measures. We should be switching to post-quantum cryptography. We should be switching to other cryptographies which are safe to quantum computers. And why I said other cryptographies, some of the cryptographies could include the quantum techniques itself, that is called quantum encryption, quantum key distributions and all. So yeah, these are the few things like I'm currently working on apart from like other layer 1, layer 2 blockchain infrastructure, MEV, ZK knowledge proof and all. And I would like to say something about like when did I enter this Web3 industry. When I was doing my PhD, then I started exploring blockchain, which was in 2018 somewhere. And since then, I have been in different kind of roles like developer, researcher, even managing products, and now I'm in venture capital team managing digital assets. So that's it from my side. If anyone have any questions, I'm happy to take it.
Open to investing in startups.
Sorry? Definitely, that's our first job. Okay guys, thank you.